Golfang specializes in the development and manufacture of single-stage injection stretch blow molding machine. Provide customers with a whole set of production equipment which includes customized machine and mold. We insist on research, design, and manufacture of exclusive molds, and never relies on others, because we know that molds are designed and developed in response to the equipment. Our common design of mold bases and mold parts is able to save mold costs and improve competitiveness for the customers. It provides them with the most economical solution. The business philosophy of Golfang is to provide the customers with steady and practical solutions. We are integrity-based and only accept the orders that can be done, which means we evaluate technical feasibility before negotiating orders. We hope the equipment can become a money-making tool for our customers. We also take the responsibility for the after-sales service because we value each order and take it as a commitment. At present, there are still a number of equipment over 30 years old that are still on the production line. The parts and service are still provided. We accumulate many years of experience in the field of plastic product, PPSU baby bottles, PMMA lampshades, LED light bulbs, HIPS yogurt bottles, PPE pet medicine bottles, TRITAN water bottles, PET cosmetic bottles, household product bottles. We cooperated with the customers in developing products for well-known brands, include Pigeon, AVENT, Nuby, Yakult, Unilever, LOREAL, AVEN, SHISEIDO, Pfizer.